Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello students, I am here with the second part of your chapter percentage. Last class we discussed to express fraction and decimal as a percent. To express fraction as percent, just multiply with 100. Today we are going to learn to convert percentage as a fraction and decimal. First topic, express percentage as a fraction. Let us solve one question as an example. Write heading in your notebook. Expressing a percentage as a fraction. Expressing a percentage as a fraction. Then write your first question. Express as fraction 85%. Express as fraction 85%. To convert fraction to percentage, you have to follow two steps. First one, remove the percent symbol and divide the number by 100. In the given example, you remove the percent symbol. Now the number is 85. Then divide the number by 100. 85% is equal to 85 by 100. You can simplify the fraction with its factors. 5 is the common factor of 100 and 85. So divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. 17 into 5, 85. So 20 into 5, 100. 85% is equal to, answer is 70 by 20. 17 by 20. Let us solve one more example. Write your second question. Express as fraction 33%. Express as fraction 33%. To convert percent to fraction, what do? Yes, remove the symbol of percent, then divide the given number by 100. 33% is equal to 33 by 100. There is no common factors of 33 and 100. So we can't simplify the fraction. So our answer is 33 by 100. All of you clear? Okay. Now let us move to convert percent to decimal. Write heading, expressing a percent as a decimal. Expressing a percent as a decimal. To convert percent to decimal number, you have to follow the same steps as convert to percent to fraction. First remove the percent symbol, then divide the given number by 100. Here, one more step you have to do after dividing the number by 100. Convert the fraction into decimal number that you have already learned in your previous chapter. Let us do one more example. Write the question in your notebook. Express as decimal 12%. Express as a decimal 12%. Follow the same steps. First remove the symbol, then divide by 100. Now you got 12 by 100. You know this decimal fraction convert into decimal number. So your answer is 0.12. One more example. Express as a decimal 22.5%. Express as a decimal 22.5%. How to convert percent to decimal number? Yes, divide the given number by 100. You know, to convert decimal fraction into decimal number, here the denominator is 100. So put the decimal point before the 3 digits. So our answer 22.5% is equal to 0.225. All of you clear? Okay. Now we are coming to new topic. that is just opposite the previous one, which is convert decimal number into percent. To convert decimal number into percent, just multiply the given number by 100. For example, write the question, express as a percentage 3.5. Express as a percentage 3.5. To convert this decimal number into percent, just multiply the given number by 100. Once more, to convert decimal number into percent, just multiply the given number by 100 and shift the decimal point 2 places towards right side and put symbol of percentage. For example, 3.5, first multiply with 100, answer is 350. 35 into 100, 350. Then shift the decimal point 2 places towards right side. So answer is 350 percentage. Next, 0.72. First multiply with 100. Answer is 0.72 into 100, 720. Shift the decimal point 2 places towards right side. So answer is 72 percentage. Okay. Next, 0.5. First multiply with 100. 0.5 into 100. 5 into 100 is equal to 500. Then shift the decimal point 2 places right side. So answer is 50%. Next, 0.1. 0.1 into 100. Put decimal point 2 places right side. So 10%. Last one, 5.002 into 100. Answer is 500.2%. Shift the decimal point 2 places right side. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about finding quantity of percentage. Students, how to find percentage of given quantity? For example, 10% of 30. 10% of 30. Let us solve this question step by step. Okay, first let us look at 10%. We can write 10% as 10 by 100. 10% of 30 means multiple by 30. So 10 by 100 into 30. Before multiplying, we can simplify the fraction with common factors. First, consider 10 and 100. 10 in 100, 10 times, 10 in 1 time. So, 1 by 10 into 30. Then also simplify 10 and 30. In 30, 10 3 times, 1 by 1 into 3. So your answer 10% of 30 is equal to 3. Okay. For better understanding, let us do some example. Write your second question. Find 20% of 50. Write step by step. 20% is equal to 20 by 100. 20% of 50 means multiply with 50. 20% into 50. 20 by 100 into 50. Simplify the fraction 20 and 100. In 100, 10 times. In 20, 10 in 2 times. So, 2 by 10 into 50. Next, simplify 10 and 50. 10 5 times. In 50, answer is 2 by 1 into 5 is equal to 10. 20% of 50 is equal to 10. Next, let us solve some question with the fraction. Find 4 by 5% of 500 kilogram. Find 4 by 5% of 500 kilogram. Children, listen here. In this question, the person given in fraction. So you have to find the answer carefully. How to find the answer? You know, 20% is equal to 20 by 100. Similarly, 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5 by 100. In the chapter of fraction in your first semester, you learn about reciprocal. Remember? Okay. 4 by 5 by 100. So this can be written as 4 by 5 into 1 by 100 into 500 kilogram. 4 by 5 into 1 by 100 into 500 kilogram. You can simplify the number 100 and 500. In 500, 100 5 times, 4 by 5% into 5 kilogram. Then again, 4 by 5 into 5 by 1 kilogram. Simplify the fraction 5 and 5 with 5. So 4 by 1 into 1 by 1. Answer is 4. 4 by 5% of 500 kilo is equal to 4 kilogram. Okay. Next question. Write down this question. Find 1 by 2% of 100 meter. 1 by 2% of 100 meter. In this question, there is a mixed fraction. So, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 into 1 plus 1. 3 by 2. So, our question is 3 by 2% of 100 meter. You know, 3 by 2% means 3 by 2 by 100. As per reciprocal, we can divide this fraction like this. 3 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 100 meter. You can simplify the number with 100. 3 by 2 into 1 meter is equal to 3 by 2 meter. 3 divided by 2, 1.5. So our answer 1 by 2% of 100 meter is equal to 1.5 meter. Next question. Find 3 by 5% of thousands. Find your answer step by step. First step, 3 by 5 by hundreds. Then write as per reciprocal to divide the fraction 3 by 5 into 1 by 100 of 1000 rupees. Simplify the fraction 100 and thousands. 3 by 5 into 1 by 1 of 10 rupees. Then 3 by 5 into 10. Simplify the fraction 5 and 10 with 5. 3 by 1 into 2 rupees. Answer is 6 rupees. 3 by 5% of 1000 is equal to 6 rupees. Next one, 4% of 400 kilogram. Yes, 4% means 4 by 100. 4 by 100 into 400 kilogram. Simplify the fraction 400 and 100. So answer is 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Answer is 16 kilogram. All of you clear, students? Today's session I am stopped here. Please note your homework. Exercise 2.3 in page number 90 and 2.4 in page number 92. Complete your homework and send it to school WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.